Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. How you doing today? I decided I wanted to do something different. I wanted to do like some liner, I want to do some glitter, you know, kind of switch it up a little bit. So yeah, if you're new here, I'm Ash. Welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe so that way you can stay tuned for more videos. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back for another video. So my mom had got me this sweater and you know, I miss my mom. She's not here. She's in Arizona. So just kind of wanted to be close to my mommy right now. And you guys like my little ringlets? Aren't they cute? I totally need a trim. Don't even go there with me. So we're gonna just leave that alone. But yes, honey, if you do like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, okay? Let's do some makeup. Hello, let's do some makeup. So I'm gonna start with my face. I'm using the e.l.f. Oil Control Primer Mist, so I like to just hydrate my skin. Next is the Jelly Pop Dewy Primer. I'm gonna just go ahead and smear this all over my face. This smells like watermelon. It smells so good. Next, I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics Conceal and Correct palette. I'm going to mix these two shades, the orange and the concealer, so that way I can color correct my under eyes. Look at how quickly and beautifully they get rid of my bags. Yes, honey. This palette's in the shade medium, so they have light and they also have dark. I had a spot on my nose, so I had to fix that, you know. Yes, the sides, the sides. I love how it just melts into my skin. I think that's my favorite part about this. That's why I like stick to it. Next, I'm going to set all of this with this BH Cosmetics Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to just set everywhere. This is going to help with my oils. Very thorough. All right, next I'm using this Ulta Beauty HD Full Coverage Foundation. This is, I believe it's a deep cool, and then I'm gonna just blend this out with my beauty blender. So I forgot to show you guys also, I mixed in a little bit of the Master Conceal concealer from Maybelline, and that was in the color medium. So I'm gonna show you that as soon as I'm done with this. Here it is, mix those two. And so now for my concealer, I'm going to use both of those, which are the medium and the medium deep of the Master Conceal by Maybelline. So I went a little brighter on my highlight than I normally do, but I actually really like this. So I'm going to just blend that out. And then now I'm going to set it. This is the JCat Luxe Pro Powder, the banana powder. I really like this powder as well. Now I'm going to set my entire face with the MILANI Shine Control Powder in the color Medium Deep. And once again, be really, really thorough. Look at my papacito. Oh, he's so precious. He's drinking water. Oh, baby. I can't get enough of those kisses. All right, moving on to Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a contour kit in dark, I believe. Or deep. One of the two. And I'm going to just contour my cheeks. I'm going to get my forehead. And then this is Music Flowers, a 5 blusher blush stack. I'm going to take that mauve shade on the bottom. And then this is Wet n Wild highlighting powder. It says Mega Glow. I loved it. Oh my gosh. And now I'm setting with this Sheer Envy Hard Candy Setting Spray. Done with the face. So moving on to eyes. I'm going to take this Sugar Rush Goals palette, and I'm going to start off with that shade LA. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to just put that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm taking Always, and I'm going to just put that in my crease. I'm going to just blend, blend, blend. I want it to be really soft. Next, I'm using the color Drop Top, and I'm going to just deepen the crease, and then I'm going to just bring that down all over my lid. That's going to be super soft as well. And then next, I'll be taking this Jumbo Liner by NYX. It's just in the color white. I'm going to make my eyeliner. So I'm taking this angled brush, and I'm going to just smear it out and make the shape of liner that I want. I wanted a pretty dramatic wing. I normally don't do wing liner, but here we go. Had to switch it up today. Now take me back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics. I'm taking this dark blue, or I guess it's just kind of like a royal blue, true blue something. And I'm gonna just cover the white. And this is gonna be like my base, because then I'm gonna put sparkles over. Now this is the MAR palette by Colourpop, and I'm going to take this teal shade and go right over all of the blue that I just placed on that. Yes. Super pigmented. And then I'm going to clean it up with some concealer. You know, sharpen that wing up. Next, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive, and then bronze glitter. And I'm gonna just put that directly under my wing. This is my favorite part about this look, you guys. I freaking love glitter. I'm gonna put it on my inner corners also. Yes. Woohoo! All right, so now going back to Drop Top, I'm gonna use that on my bottom lashes to kind of smoke it out. And then this white liner is by NK, and I'm going to just put it in my waterline. Next is my primer for my lashes, the Voluminous by L'Oreal. This is also Voluminous by L'Oreal, and this is the Lash Paradise Mascara. AJOURD Luxury Lashes also sponsored these to me. This is the Queen 3 lashes. They're super cute, you guys. And you always want to add more mascara to blend them once you have your lashes on. Finishing the look, I'm putting more of that teal underneath, so the blue and then that teal over it. And my lips are last. This brown liner is by NK also. Just gonna line my lips. And then this is a lippy stick by Colourpop. This is called Ink Blot. I love how this nude comes out. I'm gonna pat it so that way it stays matte. And then I'm gonna go over with the Buxom lip gloss. This is a plumping lip gloss, so it stung like a mofo, but it made my lips bigger. And it was super cute. Yes, honey. All right, my love, so this is the finished look. All right, well, I hope you did enjoy this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, you guys. Come on, talk to me, talk to me. But yeah, oh, I freaking love it. I love it, you guys. Yes, honey, yes. All right, so don't forget to give this video a like if you did enjoy it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Got more videos coming. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. See you in my next video.